Hey, what's up guys? And today we're just going to talk about appliances. Since I received a lot of emails asking me like what kind of appliances is the best, and it's a really hard question to answer because we do have different standard of the appliances available on this market, and we do have the luxury sections. We also have the normal sections, okay? And as far as I know that most of the appliances selling in Canada, they are pretty good in quality, and for example, Samsung, the General Electric, okay, and also the Whirlpools, those kind of appliances, they're really good on price, and they operate, they're easy operate, and give you very, I believe it's give you a very good cost and payback. But since we're living the relevantly luxury market in Vancouver, and people was trying to compare those professional kitchen appliances such as the Wolf Sub-Zero, the Melee appliances, and also the Gagnos. So today I'm just going to break down these to the sections and give you some details regarding to those kind of appliances, and hope you can at least get some ideas. I'll show you a picture first. This is a Milan appliances, kitchen appliances. They are beautiful. Yeah, very contemporary design and very elegant. Basically, we can see over here. This one I believe is 48 inches, dual fuel gas range. We're talking about dual fuel since the oven is electric, but those the range top are gas burners, so we call them dual fuel. Why that is because the gas could very easy to operate when you frying something, or you're doing the chocolate melting kind of cooking, right? And it's very easy to operate and more accurate. But the electric ovens is more stabilized in terms of the temperature, so it's good for the toast things. And also we can see here is a range hood above the gas range, and it's a very nice range hood, contemporary design as well. This one is 2 blower and 5200 CFM, and it's required two, I believe it's required two 10 inches pipe, exhaust pipes vent to the outside of the house. But yeah, it can be very strong capacities, and it's match the same capacities with this gas range. And on these sections we can see the steam oven, the wall oven, and the warming drawers, those 3 pieces, okay? And people was asking how much would it be cost for something like this. And for the Melee appliance, for the Melee range, it could cost you somewhere around $20,000, and for the hood fan itself, it's about $10,000 plus those 3 pieces, the warming drawer, the wall oven, and the steamer oven, and roughly cost you about another $20,000. So it's it's a fairly expensive product, and exists on the market, but we call them professional kitchen appliances. Of course, I didn't print out the fridge on these pictures. The Miele's fridge, they are just amazing. The Miele's fridge and the wine coolers, yeah, I think it's the best available on the market, but they're quite expensive too. And I believe 48 inches Miele, the fridge could be around somewhere about $21,000 to $24,000. It depends on what kind of sections you want to go, okay? And next line I would introduce to you is Wolf, okay? Actually, the Wolf and Sub-Zero, there's only just one brand, because the range itself is called Wolf, and it's a fridge called Sub-Zero, okay? And it's made in United States, and they are very good too. It's dual fuel as well, and electric oven plus the gas range top. And the price is fairly similar to the Miele appliances. And if you're looking for a little bit like fancier style with a French top and some like grill combinations for the range top, you're looking for probably $24,000. And those ones are like all professional kitchen appliances if you are really enjoy your cookings, and those ones are definitely a good investment. But some of the investors, they want those appliances in their houses because they want to get at the top of the selling price, and that could be understand as well. And just want to answer one question from one of my audience. Like she was asking if we just if there's a connection between the project management and the appliances or the materials we put into the home. If those ones are related to, they definitely related to each other, because like just from this picture. If we are going something like 72 inches, mean like the full range, and we need to pre-build those two 240 volt electric plug for those two separate ovens and two gas pipes for the gas cooktops, and also we need to rough in two 10 inches exhaust pipe for the range hood, and plus we need to run 240 volt for the wall oven, 120 volt wires for the warming drawer, and 120 voltage for the steam oven, and the water supplies for it too. Those ones need to be pre-roughing. You cannot just okay, once the house finished complete, and just go somewhere and purchase the appliances and throw it in. It doesn't working that way. Okay, you have to like to do the pre-design and put everything into the portfolios and pre-analyze it and let us know what kind of appliances you want to put in order for us to like cooperate with you, right? Otherwise we could run into very big troubles just for this. Okay, and as I mentioned, this kind of range hood could be run to the 1200 CFM, and we just want to make sure there's enough make-up air goes into this kitchen. If the kitchen is too small and we just suck out too much air from this room, we could like lost the oxygens. And if we don't have like enough oxygens, and we are decrease the burning rate of the gas, and you could be toxic by the gas, right? So that is the part we need to consider. If you really want to put those big appliances and those big hood fans into a small area, make sure that do the calculations and see if there is enough make-up air in this small room, and just don't want you to run into another troubles for this. Okay, this is pretty much what I want to cover for today's video. And oh, one more thing, it's my recommendation. This is a very contemporary look gas range from IKEA, and you can get $1,600 for this very nice contemporary design gas range. Okay, and this one actually is not manufactured by IKEA. It's manufactured by Whirlpool, but the Whirlpool doesn't allow to use IKEA's design, so I prefer IKEA's design better. Okay, and yeah, this is the one which I recommended for the standard house, or what you call them, spec house, right? It's a very good investment too. So this is today's video, and for the next video I'm going to run like more details into the building system, as well as the homes like smart home system. And I hope you can stay in tune and subscribe to the channels for the automatically updated. And okay, yeah, I think it's pretty much for today's episode, and I hope you keep in peace.